In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Elementor editor not loading on your WordPress site. If you've been struggling with this issue, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a quick and straightforward process that should take about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by logging into your WordPress site. You can simply open your web browser and type in the URL of your WordPress dashboard, where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the Elementor section in the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it and this will bring up the Elementor settings. Next, you're going to navigate to the Settings tab within Elementor. Once you're there, look for the Advanced tab at the top and click on it. This is where we'll make a small but crucial adjustment to help resolve the loading issue you're experiencing. And within the advanced settings, you should see an option that says Switch Editor Loader Method. This option can often be the source of many loading issues with Elementor, especially if there are conflicts with other plugins or server configurations that are in place. We're going to tweak this setting, but don't worry, it's quite simple. What you're going to do now is to click to enable this option. This essentially tells Elementor to use an alternative method for loading the editor, which can help when the default method is causing issues. Once you've enabled this setting, make sure to save your changes by scrolling down and clicking on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Now, there's just one more thing we need to check to ensure that everything's running smoothly. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and head over to the Plugins section. Once you're on the Plugins page, click on Installed Plugins. Here, you'll find a list of all the plugins that are currently installed on your website. What you want to do next is to select the checkbox at the top of the list, which will select all plugins simultaneously. After that, find the Bulk Actions drop-down menu above the list and change it to Update. This will ensure that all your plugins are running the latest versions, which can help avoid any incompatibility with Elementor. To apply this bulk action, simply click on Apply right beside the drop-down menu. WordPress will then go through the process of updating each plugin as needed. Once this is done, return to your Elementor editor and check if it's loading correctly now. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any loading issues with Elementor. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.